In this video, I'll show you how to make Parlay bet on FanDuel. A Parlay bet is a single wage that combines multiple individual bets, known as legs, into one larger bet. To win the parlay, will all individuals bet included must win, because the increased risk parlay bets offer significantly higher payouts compared to single bets. The main features of the parlay bet is multiple legs, high risk, high reward, variety of bets, and the odds of all selected outcomes are multiplied together, creating exponential payout potential. If you wager $10 on a parlay and all 4 outcomes win, the payout would be much higher than placing $1 on each bet individually. However, if just one leg loses, the entire bet is void. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.